Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change Canva background color. First, create your canvas in Canva. You can select any of the templates from here, or you can create a custom canvas using custom size. Click here. Let's say I want to create a custom size canvas. Now click create new design, and this is my canvas. So I need to change this canvas background color. Just click here and click this button, and there is a wide range of color wheel. You can select by your own color. You can select the color tone and the color type, color deepness or color sharpness from here, and color variation from here. So this is very simple. You can also select the gradient. So how this work? Just select any of the style from here. You see in this style, this part is dark and this part is lighter. If you select this style, you will see the upper portion of this part is deep and the lower portion is lighter. And there are other different types of combination. Let's say I want to choose this type gradient. Now you can select the end color and the start color. So how you can do this? Click here, click gradient. There is two option, like this is deep color, this is light color. So first select your deep color. Let's say I want to select uh, this color for my first color, and I want to select this color as my secondary color. So there are a lot of way you can customize your color in Canva. So this is pretty simple. You can also select color type from their default color. So there is a one color default or solid color options, and there are also some gradient color combination. You can select one of these. So this way you can change your Canva background. Now you can add image to your Canva. Let's say I want to add this image, and I want to customize this image, and I want to, let's say, remove the background. So click remove background, and this is your final product. And you can also add other elements like icon, symbol, or any other text, any other types of design elements. So this is pretty simple. In this video, I showed you how to change background color in Canva. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw the comment below. I read every comment and reply one by one. Thanks.